You can find your daily menu on both the home page and the My Menu page. Under each food or recipe, you'll see your planned serving portions. For example, if a recipe shows 1 of 4 servings, it means the recipe makes 4 servings, and your menu is planned for 1 serving. To view or edit a recipe, click the pencil icon. At the top of the recipe card, you'll see an overview of the recipe, including the prep time, cook time, total time, and a link to the original recipe source. From here, you can also view nutrition information. Compare and replace the recipe, or remove it from your menu. If you're cooking for more people, you can easily change the number of servings the recipe makes. Use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the recipe servings. As you make changes, the ingredient amounts update automatically. When you click Save, your shopping list updates too. To change your serving size, use the plus or minus buttons, then click Save. Your nutrition totals will automatically recalculate and reflected in your daily menu totals. Keep in mind that making significant changes to your serving sizes may cause your menu to exceed your nutrition goals. If that happens, you'll see an over daily caloric target warning. You can also customize recipes by adding, editing, or replacing ingredients. To add an ingredient, click Add Ingredient. Search for the food you'd like to add, for example, walnuts. Then select it from the list. Choose the portion you'd like to add, then click Add. The new ingredient will appear in your recipe. To edit the amount of an existing ingredient, click its pencil icon, adjust the portion using the plus or minus buttons, and click Save. If you'd like to replace an ingredient, click the ingredient's pencil icon. For example, you can replace the strawberries you have on hand with the blueberries by searching for strawberries and selecting your preferred option. Next, choose the portion you'd like to use. If you'd like, click Compare to view the nutrition differences between the original and replacement ingredients. When you're ready, click Back, then Replace to confirm your changes. Your recipe will update immediately with strawberries, and the nutrition information will automatically reflect your new ingredient. Your recent updates put you outside your daily caloric target total for the day. You can easily fix this by using Rebalance Day with My Changes to auto-adjust your serving sizes to hit your goal.